What is your dance move?
I think it's like a
Very much Ganpati dance.
like it's
Yeah,
like a
yeah.
Hona Pyar.
Yeah. Very Bollywood move.
Very Bollywood. Curd rice. I love curd rice, and she can eat momos for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Really?
Yeah, once I ate 32.
और मैं इधर चेंज कर रहा हूँ. तो यहाँ से सबको बचा लिया हमने, पर यहाँ चेंज कर रहा था और यहाँ से 5 लड़कियाँ आ गई और बोल दिया. So that was very embarrassing. Hi, I'm Vardhan Puri.
Hi, I'm Kaveri, and
We are going to be playing How Well Do We Know Each Other.
Your first impressions of each other.
Who?
Like I have to say her impression of me.
इसमें पहले
अच्छा.
ना अपना ही बताना है एक दूसरे को.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद
My first impression of her
हाँ.
that she was a very. Her first impression was that she was
You can be honest.
unafraid of being herself, nervous, very cute, innocent, affable, and also at the same time, this is like dualism, but she was anxious, but at the same time, very confident.
I was faking it.
But whatever you were doing, you seem very confident, but at the same time anxious. So that's a very interesting combination.
My first impression of you. First impression. Very professional, charming, very warm, like really made an effort to make me feel comfortable and welcome. Talented.
In the first impression only, you thought?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
You wanted Tareef, no? Take now.
thank you.
yeah, that was my first impression, and very respectful.
Wonderful. Where did your co-star grow up?
Bombay.
Mumbai. Bombay then, Mumbai now. She was born in London and spent the first few years of her life there, and then came to Mumbai. And I think when she was 2 or 3,
I
4,
think.
and then spent most of her life here, and then she went to study to Boston
Correct.
and came back to start our film together. And now she's very much a Mumbai bird, and she does visit Dubai frequently to spend time with her father.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. Your
Very-
co-star's favorite drink
Alcoholic?
or non-alcoholic?
But I don't drink only.
Yeah, you don't drink.
But hers is water. She can have, if you don't stop her, she can have 10 liters
no,
of water.
No, I have a
Sundarta ka Raz.
no. I've been told by doctors I need to stop
Yeah,
drinking
you
so
can get
much
water
water because I drink like I'm always thirsty. I drink like 7 liters
I have
a
to
day.
stop her.
Yeah. It's a like I think there's some issue. I'm not diabetic. We've tested it, but I have like an addiction to water.
If you keep 10 liters in front of her,
I'll
she
drink-
can finish it in 3 hours.
Yeah, no, I just
It's
I
scary.
love water.
It's scary.
I love drinking water, and I think water has a taste, and it tastes amazing. It's the best thing in the world.
But every brand has different taste.
Yeah,
But-
but I like the ones that taste crisp.
Okay.
Evian.
No, Bisleri tastes crisp.
Okay.
Your favorite drink? Nimbu pani?
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
right. I love nimbu pani.
Wow.
But I don't add any sugar to it. So it's just kala namak,
Okay.
nimbu, and water.
Okay. One word your co-star says the most.
She says, Bub.
You
That where is that?
Bub.
come from?
Like she just
Bub.
addresses people she's fond of. Like all her close friends, including me, she just calls us Bub. B-U-B.
Oh.
And now we call each other Bub.
Yeah, you also say bub a lot.
Yeah, but only to her in the whole world.
Yeah, but the word he says the most to me and around me is bub. You also
But-
say are yaar a lot.
That's
Arey
so much
yaar.
Mumbai ka
Very,
thing.
yeah. So I say a lot of Arey yaar.
Are yaar. Like that.
I also used to say a lot of bro, like bro.
Oh, bro,
Like
you are.
You don't, I've never heard
I
you.
stopped now because
Acha.
I don't want to say bro that
Okay.
much.
Oh yeah, I remember. I used to get irritated.
And she used to be
because
like, I'm not your bro, and like walk off angrily.
Wonderful. One dish that your co-star can eat every day.
curd rice.
Curd rice. I love curd rice, and she can eat momos for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Really?
Yeah, once I
obsessed.
ate 32 at once.
32.
Yeah,
At once?
yeah.
32.
I was not
There
okay
should be a-
afterwards.
Bloody Guinness World
Yeah,
Record.
I was just gonna say that. What does your co-star do in between the shots?
We both don't look at our phones, but in between shots, I think,
Vardhan needs to get in the mood.
yeah, I get into the mood, and Kaveri
And I
just
need
wants
to.
to go with the flow.
Okay.
And she's like, what mood? I don't want to be in any mood. I want to have fun between takes.
Yeah.
So she's doing masti between takes, and I'm, staying in my character and
the zone.
doing, yeah.
Okay.
I'm like, don't mess with my mood.
He's like, don't talk to me.
Yeah.
No.
I mean, don't talk to me because,
But that's what he means.
Yeah.
yeah, I'll just be like, mood.
He'll be like, stay in the mood. Bub, mood. And I'll be like, okay, I'm
And
gonna
she-
go hang out with someone else right
And
now.
then she's going and doing masti with the costume department.
Perfect. What is your co-star's nickname?
Bub.
नहीं, original घर वाला nickname.
Hachu. Mine
What's-
is Hachu.
What's mine?
Hers is.
I have many actually.
Hers is.
Depends.
I think her dad calls her Sweetie Pie, and her mom calls her Boobla.
Oh my god.
Right?
He
Yeah.
knows it. He's correct.
Yeah.
Her mom says Boobla.
And my
her dad
school
calls her
friends say.
Sweetie Pie.
And my school friends say KK.
I used to call her Cakes.
Yeah.
Kakez.
Correct.
But now it's become Bub.
Okay.
And my niece calls me
Achu.
Hachu. Because
And-
my home name is Harshu.
Okay. So
So she can't say Harshu, so she
Correct.
calls me Hachu. So now she thinks Hachu is not my name, it's my title. So she goes and asks her friends,
Okay.
do you have a Hachu?
Oh.
What is your Hachu's name?
Ah.
Because she thinks
Yeah.
Hachu means mama.
Correct.
So she's very funny. I love
Okay.
her.
बैठे बैठे क्या आप हमें दिखा सकते हो आपके को स्टार का गो टू डांस मूव
She doesn't like dancing, but she does some strange animal walk.
Oh my god.
She walks like this and does, and that's her dance move. At any party, you'll see her doing a weird animal walk, right?
Yes.
And show me my dance move.
What is your dance move?
I think it's like a
वेरी मच गणपति डांस
like it's
Yeah,
just a
yeah.
ho na pyar.
Very Bollywood move.
Very Bollywood. Yeah, I'm very Bollywood. Yeah.
ओके
I can't just have T-Rex arms.
T-Rex arms and she'll just like dance around.
ओके लास्ट टू क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू
No, please ask 5.
ओके डन चलो see
Please, yeah, please.
tell us about the first scene you guys shot together
Oh my god, we had to kiss.
first scene only that
First scene, yeah. Because we told them that, listen, what are we doing first day?
हाँ
They were like, simple scene we are doing in the garden. It's a long scene, it's fun.
हाँ
And we were like, but one second, this is our first scene that has a kiss. He's saying, so you all are professional actors, do it.
हाँ
So we were like, yeah, that's true, let's do it. So we did it.
इतना इजीली
हाँ?
इतना इजीली कर ले जैसे
इतना
आपने
इजीली
बता दिया
मतलब
मुझे।
अरे पोस्टर शूट पे ऑलरेडी करवा दिया था तो रिहर्सल हो गया था हमारा सो वो हियर दे जस्ट कॉल्ड अस दे वर लाइक दिस इज द सीन यू ऑल आर डूइंग एंड एट द एंड ऑफ इट किस एंड वी वर लाइक ओके एक्चुअली या वी आर प्रोफेशनल एक्टर्स सो
Correct.
दिस मेक्स सेंस लेट्स डू इट लेट्स किस
Okay,
ईच अदर
okay who is always late on the set
neither of us I have never come late on set yeah
No, I like relatively.
never
No, he's not late.
never come late
He's not late. Sorry, Mike.
he's just not on time
No, he's on time.
I don't know what you're talking about I'm always before time
Yeah, but you just take little longer to get ready than me.
अरे suppose 9 o'clock का if 9 o'clock we have to be on set
हाँ
I reach at 8:58 or 8:59.
Yeah, actually, neither of us are
I've
late.
never come late on a set. I've never been late.
Yeah, actually, no.
I've never been late.
Okay.
But
Not on set.
I mean, if someone's reaching set at 8:30 for a 9 p.m. shift, and if they are thinking the person who's come at 8:58 is late, मतलब इसका क्या logic है?
Yeah, that's why I said relative. Like,
She's reached at 8:30 and she's doing time pass. Those 28 extra minutes, I'm doing my scenes, I'm getting my
correct no one's late
makeup corrected.
ठीक है वरदान गलती हो गई हमसे
Yeah, sorry.
but it's because you're very precise also with your.
Oops.
okay
See, this is God's way of saying कि कभी late नहीं आया है.
not in
Like, he very much likes to design the look of his character, and he's very specific about like even the smallest thing, like the hair, the accessories will like to him mean something about the character. For me, I'm just like, put me in whatever you want.
I
I just have to
get into,
focus.
like, details.
perfection चाहिए एकदम.
Yeah, I just have to focus on the performance.
Her thing is that I don't care what I'm wearing. I don't care about my hair, makeup. I just want to feel the emotion.
It's also because
Different approaches.
It's also because I have a tendency to be very insecure about my appearance.
Yeah, she doesn't look at the mirror.
Yeah, so I can't when I'm on camera, I have to find a way to let that go.
Okay.
So I don't look in the mirror. I don't even like if you ask my hair, makeup, like I just let them do as they please, and I'm gonna focus on my performance.
Like one day her lipstick or lip balm, whatever she had put, came out in the middle of a scene. And once we cut the take, I called the makeup artist saying that, hey, I think she needs lip balm. And she was like, no, but I don't want lip balm. I was like, continuity hai. She's saying, continuity is there, don't worry, you don't stress, I'm fine, I'll
Yeah.
do it. I was like, wow, yeah, that's great.
Wonderful.
Because she doesn't care about anything
No,
superficial.
in real life I care. Like
You don't.
no,
Once you're ready, you don't even look in the mirror. Yeah.
no, but I'm talking about like in real life I have insecurities and I care about how I look.
Yeah, but you're not obsessed with wanting to always look perfect, which I love.
Yeah,
Like, she looks perfect anyway. She doesn't have to try.
but no, especially on camera, I have to not care about how I look. Otherwise, because for me, I either don't care or it's an obsession.
Okay.
So I have to pick don't care because
Okay.
Got it. Noted that. Who takes? Okay, she just said you take more time to get ready.
I? No.
yeah,
she's
you
just
do.
defaming me.
You take longer to get ready.
It's a lie, but okay, cool.
Okay. Who's prone to laugh at a serious scene or at the wrong moment?
Oh my god, me.
Me too,
Is
actually.
there any incident like that?
Once you
I-
laughed and I got really upset. Now, what happened?
I don't remember
Do
because
you
it's
know-
happened
you
so
know which
many
one I'm
times.
talking about? I don't remember when, but she laughed and I felt really bad.
Aww.
What happened? Oh, yeah, I remember what happened. I had a scene with heavy dialogues and she didn't have any dialogues in that scene, so she was very relaxed.
Huh.
Remember that walk? And we had a unit of very small unit that day, like 25-30 people, because we were shooting in an area where permission was an issue. And I just asked for 2 minutes of silence from people because people were screaming. And I had received garma garam scenes. You know,
Okay.
garma garam क्या होता है ना, जो अभी लिख के आए,
Got it.
जो अभी प्रिंट होके आए, गरम, oh I'm so sorry, गरम पन्ने ऐसे निकले प्रिंटर से,
figured.
मुझे दिए, ये 5 पन्ने आपको पढ़ने हैं और बाय हार्ट करने. मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. I said, guys, I need everyone to stay quiet for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
You can all work quietly,
Hmm.
but the costume department, the art department and Kaveri were having a field day.
Ball.
They were screaming, shouting, laughing
No,
loudly.
you're defaming me.
No, but you all were having fun. No, she was not doing it to disturb me. They were just in the moment and enjoying themselves.
Okay.
Right? No?
He's trying to recollect.
Continue your story
Why are you getting angry?
because this is
Okay, Kaveri was not a part of that. One person from the costume team and one person from the art team were making a ruckus. They were
Okay.
screaming and shouting. She was, in fact, very quietly sitting next to me. Okay?
I did.
You were
But I
not
do
laughing
have
with
a
them?
tendency. No.
No?
No.
Okay, sorry. Maybe I'm mistaken. They were laughing and making merry. So I just looked at them and I requested them how many times? At least 10 times.
But I can't help it. I laugh when I feel.
I don't know, you're not getting it. So basically what happened was, suddenly after asking them to keep quiet 10 times, at the end of it I got a little irritated and I was like, guys, what's wrong with you here? I'm just asking for 2 minutes.
And I giggled.
And she started laughing.
No, I just giggled.
She giggled and then I think we had a
Cold
little,
war?
like 30-second fight.
Cold War will start now.
Cold War is going to start
Okay.
now.
Before the Cold War starts, last 2 questions for you.
Cold War started?
Yes.
Is your co-star a beach person or a mountain person?
Mountain. Hello.
She's
You
a beach
answer
person.
about me.
She's a beach person, I'm a mountain person. But she also likes the mountains.
Oh, I much prefer the beach though.
I prefer the mountains. I love the mountains. And I love the beach too. But mountains or beach mein mountains number one.
Okay, lastly, एक दूसरे का most embarrassing moment from the set.
Oh. So many, but which one do I choose? No, it's fine. You're upset. Cold War started. Oh damn. Shit.
No.
Okay.
It's chill.
Okay. Most embarrassing
Most
moment for her.
Yeah.
Mm. There are many. I don't know which one to choose. But most embarrassing.
I don't think you had any embarrassing moments.
I had a very sad moment where I almost got run over by a bus.
Oh, that was horrible.
Yeah, I was
That was
running in
not
the middle of the
embarrassing.
road, and there was some random pothole, and I fell on the road, and one huge double-decker big red bus in London came and just braked in time. Otherwise, I would have died. This is me. Here I fall, and the bus brakes here, and everyone in the unit was like, ah!
Of course, that's.
And then we had to ice my foot, and we thought we'll have to discontinue the shoot. Luckily, it wasn't a fracture. We took real good care of my foot. The next day, I was walking again. In a few days, I could somehow run, but the pain was excruciating. That was embarrassing, actually.
It
in
was
the moment
not
for me.
embarrassing. Yeah, I had a lot of embarrassing moments. Like in the middle of dance sequences, I would go behind the tree and cry.
Yeah.
A lot of.
I also had an embarrassing moment when in Cumbria we had to shoot and they had put a chadar in front of me so that I could change. So I had to change everything from my boxers to my jeans, pair of jeans to the t-shirt and the jacket. और यहाँ पे चद्दर है, यहाँ कोई नहीं है.
Okay.
मतलब क्योंकि सब बोल रहे हैं इनको स्पेस दो और मैं इधर चेंज कर रहा हूँ. तो यहाँ से सबको बचा लिया हमने, पर यहाँ चेंज कर रहा था और यहाँ से 5 लड़कियां आ गई और बोल रही है. So that was very embarrassing. And they happened to be featured cast members of our film only. I didn't know. So later I was like, अरे ठीक है ना, उन लोगों ने देख लिया, अभी जिंदगी में वापस मिलना तो होना नहीं है. Suddenly I see they are in the cafe and I'm like, how are these girls here? They are a part of our team. ऐसा अरे सत्यानाश.
You know what I found embarrassing is to prep for the shoot. Remember, we were made to go randomly sing and dance on the street with no cameras.
Yeah, that was quite embarrassing.
That was embarrassing in a good way.
On the first day of reading at the office.
Because it destroyed all our inhibitions.
सही है
But
यार.
But yeah, it was very embarrassing, and I ran into.
What were you guys singing?
We had to. I don't remember,
We
but
were
we had to
singing.
sing and dance all over the street.
We were singing Koi Koi.
I don't remember.
Yeah,
but we
Koi
were
Koi.
being watched from the windows. We were not allowed to stop, and I ran into my soul cycle instructor.
Yeah,
And
she
I
was
had to
randomly
keep singing and dancing, and it was yeah.
It was actually a very interesting exercise. Kunal sir told us that I want to kill your inhibitions.
सही है.
And this is in central London, Soho.
Wow.
We are asked to,
Guys, guts.
go on the road. This was Greek Street.
I don't remember.
Greek
where
Street
it
was the name of the street.
हाँ.
And we're there in the middle of the crowd. White people who think we are absolutely
Insane.
nuts now because
Correct.
we are looking at them in their eye
Correct.
and singing Hindi songs while doing like a dance.
And I can't dance to save my life.
She's actually very good, but she's just not danced enough to know that she's good.
Okay.
Okay.
She's
He
actually
has to say that.
no, she's a very very good dancer. She thinks she's a bad dancer,
Okay.
but one day you will see her dance,
Definitely.
and then we'll do another interview.
And with this embarrassing moment, we have also come to know Kunal sir का secret कि कहाँ से आप इतने अच्छे actors लाते हो और कैसे कैसे उनको काम करवाते हो. Well, that was all.
Ask us 2 more questions now.
यार वरदान.
Think of 2 more questions because this is so much fun.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Or 5.
5. घर नहीं जाना इनको?
यार घर जाना है पर बहुत मजा आ रहा है. बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
I want to go.
Okay, ask us please.
Who amongst you both can cancel plans on last minute?
Me.
I never cancel
I love
plans.
the honesty here. She didn't even think once.
She always cancels.
किया ऐसा plan
अरे
cancel?
हर रोज होता है.
हाँ.
Hello.
Almost.
But honestly, I struggle a lot with my mental health. So,
So it's
some
not her
days
fault at
it's very difficult for me to get myself together and show up for a plan or something.
I have also cancelled plans. No, actually
You cancel for work usually.
I cancel for work if
if you
if
have
something-
to.
is unavoidable.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
But I do have a habit of.
but Kaveri
cancelling
also
that. I don't mean it's not because I.
her she's become very disciplined and she sleeps really early now. And we used to usually hang out at nights.
मेरा अगला सवाल भी यही था, who can party till morning amongst both?
I can party till morning,
I won't be partying. I'll be attempting to sleep.
but I don't party actually. I never party. I don't enjoy partying unless it's like a really close bunch of family or friends. But I don't like hanging out with random people at a club or something. I
Okay.
can't do that.
Okay.
I try to sleep early now, but I also have nights where I don't fall asleep till like 11 a.m. So you're not gonna find me partying till the morning. You're going to find me like hitting my pillow and like trying really hard to sleep, or like listening to like some sleep music, desperately trying to sleep because I have to wake up at like
Yeah.
12.
Earlier, I used to not sleep at all. I used to like sleep for 45 minutes, 1 hour. But now I've realized the value of good sleep. So now I do try to sleep at a decent hour
I also try.
and wake up very early. I try my best.
I also try.
Who
She
is the
really-
bigger foodie amongst both of
Me.
you?
I think me.
Me?
Me.
किस चीज का चैलेंज लगाए फिर बताइए आप? पानी पूरी?
अरे पानी पूरी तो
Yeah.
मैंने 100 खा ली है.
Exaggeration.
I'm not joking. I've had 100 plus pani puris.
You know
but
what?
of course
Okay.
fallen sick after that.
Okay.
But I've
It
had.
depends on your definition of a foodie, because I'm a picky eater, but I like to eat a lot of
Okay.
what I eat, of what
Okay.
I like.
Okay.
He will try everything.
I eat everything.
Yeah.
There's nothing I don't eat. Now I've just turned vegetarian,
Hmm.
and I used to really enjoy non-vegetarian food. But because I love animals, now I'm vegetarian,
Hmm.
and I eat everything. Like earlier, it was okay, I don't like karela or I don't like lauki.
Oh.
But now I love everything, and but I try to eat in fixed quantities,
Okay.
like measured quantities. I won't go mad eating because I just like to be disciplined.
लगता नहीं है पर आप लोगों को देख के that you are big foodies. I mean maintain
अरे
करना
I'm a
पड़ता है.
massive
Gym
foodie.
and
Even
this,
she's a
that.
massive foodie.
I'm a massive foodie.
ये बहुत पंजाबी.
Who is most likely to be the most dramatic?
Both of us are quite dramatic.
It depends on the situation.
I think both of us are very
I
dramatic.
love that expression.
What expression did I do?
You initially kind of disagreed with what he's trying to say, and then well, okay.
I think I'm more dramatic.
I think I'm more dramatic.
No, because but you're not intentionally dramatic. I am intentionally dramatic to create drama.
Yeah,
So
my
you're
attention.
unintentionally
my
dramatic.
drama just comes out organically.
Yeah, I do it for attention.
He does it for effect. I do it because I am dramatic.
तो अब ये साबित हो चुका है कि आप दोनों एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छे से जानते हो.
Congratulations.
Signing off on this note, this is Nikita Pawan.
Nikita, this was fun. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. मजा आ गया मजा.